If you're wondering how to export a list of subscribers from EverWebinar to GetResponse, you're in the right place. In this quick EverWebinar explanation, I'll show you the exact steps you need to take, so stick around because I'm going to break it down for you, step by step, in under 5 minutes. First, let's dive into EverWebinar and get started. The process is simple, but requires you to know exactly where to look. First, log into your EverWebinar account. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard and find the Attendees section. This is where your subscriber list will be. It's important to make sure you're on the right webinar and that you've selected the correct time frame for the data you're trying to export. Now, the second thing you need to do is select your desired webinar. Once you've done that, click on the Export button. This will give you several options for exporting your list. What you're looking for is a CSV file, which can be opened in Excel, Google Sheets, or any similar program. This file will contain all the subscriber information that you've gathered, like names and emails. Next, after you've successfully exported the CSV file, the next step is to import it into GetResponse. To do that, log into your GetResponse account and go to the Contacts section. Once you're there, click on Import Contacts and select the CSV file that you just exported from EverWebinar. Now, GetResponse will ask you to map the data from your CSV file to the appropriate fields in your GetResponse account. For example, make sure that the email addresses are mapped to the email field and any other relevant data is mapped correctly. After you've done that, hit the Import button and GetResponse will take care of the rest. The fourth thing you need to do is double-check the imported contacts in GetResponse. Go to your contacts list and confirm that all the data from EverWebinar has been properly transferred. It's a simple check, but it's important to make sure that everything looks good before you start sending emails to your subscribers. Now, here's a quick tip. Once your subscribers are in GetResponse, you can easily segment them based on specific actions they took during your webinar, or even create automated follow-up sequences. This is a game changer if you want to nurture your leads and convert them into customers. So, why is this all important? Well, exporting your list from EverWebinar to GetResponse allows you to streamline your communication with your audience. You can send personalized follow-up emails, product offers, and more, all within a single platform that's designed to boost your marketing efforts. Before we wrap up, remember you can use this software completely free from the first link below, and you'll also get exclusive bonuses when you sign up. That means you can start using it right away, risk-free. To recap, exporting your list of subscribers from EverWebinar to GetResponse is an easy and effective way to manage your contacts and improve your marketing strategy. Start with EverWebinar, export your data, import it into GetResponse, and set up automated emails to maximize your reach. If you want to get started today, be sure to check out the link below for your exclusive and extended free trial and start taking your webinars to the next level.